Hello everyone and welcome to today's planning briefing. My name is Leanne Allegretto and I will be leading you through today and the next several days worth of weather and associated impacts. Some key points. Today we have a red flag warning issued mostly for the dry front and mostly for west central and southwest Montana. We are expecting widespread winds to elevate throughout the afternoon and evening hours today, but the most focused area for strongest winds are in the west central and southwest Montana areas. We're expecting about 15 to 25 mile per hour winds with gusts up to 30 miles per hour in those areas, but it's going to be a very dry, very hot, and breezy day just about everywhere. In addition, we're expecting some scattered thunderstorms today, overnight tonight, and again Friday. Once again, the focus of those thunderstorms will be across west central and southwest Montana. There will be the chance for nocturnal storms to continue overnight tonight, and then another round of just about the same thing expected for Friday afternoon and evening across the same areas. Widespread, abnormally hot, dry, and low RHs continue through the weekend into the middle of next week. And by abnormally hot, I'm talking like valleys are going back into the 100-degree realm and very, very abnormally warm mid and upper level elevations with terrible overnight recoveries expected. That being said, beginning on Monday and increasing on Tuesday and possibly later through next week, we do start to see the influence of the monsoon moisture across the southwestern portion of the United States creep its way up into the Northern Rockies, and that will definitely have an impact on the situation going into next week. So let's just take a look at how miserable things are here in our neck of the woods as far as smoke cover is concerned. Although there's a lot of smoke coming across central Idaho into western Montana, we're not seeing too much of an influence on max temperatures. Sometimes with smoke, if it's real thick and real troublesome, we start to see an impact high temperatures and kind of stifle them a bit. But so far, nothing too dramatic, even given the amount of smoke that we're seeing. SPC does have today's thunderstorms highlighted in the areas I mentioned before. They do have the isolated dry thunderstorm area creeping into north central Idaho. We're not ruling it out, but we still think that the best focus of storms will be across southwest Montana and into portions of west central Montana. And then I mentioned the same kind of scenario is expected for Friday, basically the same area as well. So the threat will exist again on Friday. So here's our probability of lightning for both Thursday and Friday. So today's probability of lightning is on the left and Friday's probability of lightning is on the right. And as you can see, very similar. The areas are similar, the potential is similar. And if we do have nocturnal thunderstorms, it will also be in these same areas as well. So that can give you an idea of what to expect as far as lightning production from these thunderstorms. We are mostly expecting gusty outflow winds from them, but obviously lightning is a huge concern considering how dry and how active our fire season is so far. So I mentioned the weekend and getting back into the 100-degree realm by Sunday, even beyond Sunday. Here's a look at Sunday's minimum humidities and Sunday's high temperatures. Really hot in north central Idaho, really hot across western Montana, and extremely dry. We may not be dry enough in this humidity graphic just yet, but we're still assessing just how dry we're going to be on Sunday and how warm. So I'm showing you just Sunday's numbers, but I would plan for it for Monday and for the first half of next week as well. And so here's an animation showing, if you keep your eyes focused around the Four Corners region of the United States, you start to see a little bit of moisture starting to rotate upwards north into Idaho and Montana. And that is the monsoon effect that we're going to anticipate for early to mid next week. Right now, even though it's pretty early, right now these do look like they would be wet thunderstorms. The Southwest has had some serious flash flooding issues with thunderstorms of this kind. If they can maintain the moisture as they travel northward, we suspect that they will be wet thunderstorms as well. But anytime we have a thunderstorm, we're still a little bit leery that the new lightning strikes could cause new fires. So this is the pattern going into early to mid next week, but we will definitely have more information at our next briefing. Here's our threat matrix. We've got dry with thunderstorms today in the areas where the red flag covers, but it's the same scenario for Friday. We do not have a red flag issued for anywhere on Friday, but we are still expecting dry conditions with the threat for thunderstorms across west central Montana and southwest Montana. Then it's just dry and hot all the way across the board. And then as we get into Monday and Tuesday, we start to see the influence of thunderstorms from that monsoonal moisture moving northward. And thank you for joining us. We will talk more about that monsoonal moisture on Sunday, which is our next call. But of course, you guys know, give us a call anytime. We are here for you 24/7. Thank you.